Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel VaMidanu. So for those of you who do not know, VaMidanu literally means come let's cook in my local dialect Ewe. So on today's menu we are preparing tapioca. So let's get cooking. I will start by soaking my tapioca in enough water for an hour or two till the tapioca doubles in size. Just like this. Next, I'll be bringing some water to a boil. I'll be adding a pinch of salt to taste. Salt is completely optional. And then I'll cover it and leave it to boil. So once the water is boiling, we're going to add our pre-soaked tapioca to the boiling water and give it a good mix. At this point, you sweeten your tapioca with some sugar. You can substitute sugar with honey or any sweetener of choice. Stir occasionally to prevent tapioca from sticking to the bottom of your pan. We are going to continue cooking till tapioca is completely translucent and desired consistency is achieved. As simple as that, our tapioca is ready to be served. So tapioca is often served with just milk, sometimes sugar or any sweetener, but I already sweetened my tapioca whilst cooking, so I wouldn't need any extra sweetener. Also, if you found this recipe helpful, kindly subscribe for more delicious African recipes. I'll be leaving the detailed measurements in my description box. Don't forget to check it out, and thanks for watching. Bye.